This is the screen New York students want to see. PSS is the result, but the screenshot is not the real lesson. The real lesson is what happens before test day. Most people do not fail because they study too little. They fail because they study the wrong way. Not more studying. Better strategy. Random review feels productive. It usually slows you down. The faster route is simple. Most students keep doing the same 3 things: studying everything equally, retaking mock exams too early, and treating every wrong answer the same. The first mistake is studying everything equally. The second mistake is retaking mock exams too early. The third mistake is treating every wrong answer the same. That creates a fake sense of movement. 67, 69, 68, 70. It looks like progress. But the weak spots underneath barely move. So the score changes. The pattern stays. Busy, not better. If you want to pass faster, start with tested patterns, not random facts. Focus on vocabulary traps, relationship questions, and contract logic. Start with vocabulary traps. Then focus on relationship questions. Then study contract logic. Trigger words like first, immediate, best, and accept matter more than students think. Take void versus voidable. Example: a minor signs the contract. Is that void or voidable? The trap is assuming bad equals void. Void means never valid. Voidable means valid now, but one party can cancel it. That is what the question is really testing. Now take freehold versus leasehold. Example: a tenant rents an apartment for 1 year. Is that freehold or leasehold? The trap is seeing legal rights and thinking ownership. The trap is seeing legal rights and thinking ownership. Freehold means ownership interest. Leasehold means non-ownership interest. Now look at customer versus client. Example: a buyer talks to a listing agent at an open house. Are they a customer or a client? A client is represented. A customer is not. That changes confidentiality, loyalty, and advice. This is where smarter students save time. They do not memorize everything. They learn what the question is really testing. After every mock or practice set, do not just look at the score. Review the miss. Sort every miss in a concept gap, careless miss, timing problem, or lucky guess. Lucky guess is the fourth bucket. Concept gap means you did not truly know the rule. If you skip that step, the same question returns in a different outfit. Careless miss means you knew it, but you misread, rushed, or missed a keyword. Timing problem means pressure changed your result. Lucky guess means you got it right without really knowing why. Fix the reason. Not just the score. Mock exams are useful only when they tell you what to do next. Path A is what most people do. Path B is what faster students do. They retake immediately. The score lands in the same range again. Review the misses first. Group weak areas by topic. Rebuild the weak pattern. Then take another timed mock. A score is not a plan. Use the score to diagnose, not to celebrate too early. If you want to pass faster, use this order. Step 1. Learn patterns. Step 2. Review misses. Step 3. Practice timed. Then loop back. Learn the next weak pattern. Review the next miss. Practice timed again. This is how smarter students compress the path to PESS. So if you feel stuck, do not study everything harder. Study the high-value patterns first. Review every miss by reason. Use timed mocks to expose weak areas, not hide them. If you want a faster way to spot weak areas, take a timed New York mock exam on a state pass and review your misses before the next attempt. If you want to pass faster, stop studying everything equally. Pass faster. Study smarter.